Companies, non-profit organizations, all need to market their products and services in one way or the other, and one of the most effective ways is through advertising. As a graphic designer, you might find yourself working as an in-house designer directly or indirectly as an agency designer to solve multiple communication problems. It could be you working on a magazine cover, a book cover, or working on the various graphic elements that will make up a TV commercial, or designing flyers or banners for social media platforms, preparing a newsletter to send to company employees or customers, or working on the interface of a website or mobile application specifically for informational or advertising purposes. Or you might find yourself using outdoor adverts to publicize your business, its products or services through billboards. It could be adverts on exteriors of buses or interiors of taxis. All of this boils down to the goal of advertising, which is to create specific visual and verbal messages that inform, persuade, promote, and motivate people to perform an action such as buying a product, attending an event, or a customer calling to get more information about an advert they saw on the road.